All right, so let's get started and let's contribute to this this organization, Sugar Labs, right? So yeah, okay. First of all, to find the GitHub, the main GitHub account for you know any organization, yeah, the organization's name, that's Sugar Labs, or say for example OpenMRS. So yeah, just you just simply have to search on your browser that particular organization's name and GitHub, following by GitHub. So if you want to search GitHub organization for the organization Sugar Labs, so just simply search for Sugar Labs GitHub, and yeah, you'll get it at the top, right? So yeah, this is the complete, you can see the GitHub repository, right? And yeah, just explore a bit and you'll see that okay, there are several repositories. So being this, so this one, this www version v2, this is the, as you can see, it is being written here as well. So yeah, make sure you read the about and all very carefully, that as you can see, this particular repository under this Sugar Labs organization, this repository serves as the code for the main Sugar Labs website, right? So if you click this, so this particular website's this main code is this, okay, and just scroll a bit, you'll see the languages here, okay. So it's completely on TypeScript and it's in React. All right, I'm not going to contribute to this website. I'm going to contribute to this. You can see music labs here, music blogs here, as you can see, and yeah, musicblogs.sugarlabs.org. Definitely you can contribute, you can maybe fix some issues or fix some bug in their particular application or software, or anything, right? You can maybe ask for a feature request, like say for example, if you are willing to add a button over here which will do some XYZ task, and yeah, if you feel it is important, if the maintainers will like it, they'll definitely consider it, right? The bug which I found that this, if you will click here to the new project, see, new project में click करने से, okay, obviously it is saying okay, are you sure to, yeah, definitely, are you sure to create the project and all, okay, but the bug, this is a simple UI bug, I found that, see, are you sure, if you'll hover over it, okay, if you'll hover over the confirm and the cancel button, you'll able to see, I'm hovering over the confirm button. I really hope so you're able to see that in the background that extra gray box is being displayed on hover actually, okay. And same for the cancel button as well. See, as you can see, a little bit it's I don't think so this is unexpected behavior, right? I don't think this is really necessary. Yeah, I'm thinking to just contribute to this. Yeah, so yeah, there's a protocol, there's some set of etiquettes that you have to follow as well while contributing to any organization. The thing is, while contributing to any open source, it's not about only GSoC, it's not about only Google Summer of Code. It's completely about open source countries. Okay, so for that, okay, you came to any repository, any open source repository, just scroll down a bit, you'll able to find this contributing. Take it, yeah, but in this readme section here, you'll able to find this contributing site. And if you're not able to find it, just come here and just search for the file as contributing. You'll be able to see the contributing.md file here as well. I just really would urge you that please take some time, take few minutes and read this completely, and basically read this and then the developer docs and all, because you definitely need to set up this code base locally in your machine as well. So all the steps and all will be mentioned in this particular docs only. So yeah, do read this, okay. I just found the setup of the local server, okay. I found all the informations to how to set up this locally in my machine, okay. Okay, wait, let's first of all read all these. I've already read, okay. So yeah, I'm just skipping some of the part. Honestly speaking, this is something really important. Like they'll mention, because in big code bases and in big open source code bases, there are some checks that we need to follow, right? After you contribute. So before you push the thing, okay, after you contributed, after you made some changes, it's really important that you check all the tests are being passing or not. Like it's saying before you push, run these commands locally before you submit a pull request. So yeah, we have to run all these commands and let's check if I sub hua ke nahi. I've already set up this locally, but yeah, let's do it all over again. So yeah, so like obviously I've already cloned their code base locally in my machine. But yeah, here's the important point I need to mention, that do not copy this and clone, okay. Just don't do this. You must fork the repository from here, okay. Just make sure you fork the repository, and in your account, okay, if you'll see in your account, yeah, this is my GitHub. In your GitHub, that fork will appear. As you can see, the music blocks will appear. So just go on to this repository in your account, and then copy the the command here and then clone this. All right, so yeah, let's now continue. Honestly, let's open up the terminal here, and yeah, here's the thing that, okay, yeah, I was already working on this, something like this. So I would go to first of all, I would love to check out to the main branch here. I hope so it's master. Abhi ye bhi, make sure you check this as well, that they have the branch as master or main. Okay, yeah, this is very important. So they have the default branch as master, not main. So you should change it, go to master here. And yeah, once you have obviously shifted to the switch to the master branch. Now yeah, the thing is, I need to just first of all check git remote slash, yeah, I have the upstream set, git pull. Basically I'm pulling the latest changes like from the main master branch, from the main repository there. So git pull origin, make sure you write here master. Okay, so what, git pull origin master, git pull, oh, I'm so sorry, I did something wrong. Basically यहाँ पर upstream करना था git. Okay, so now it's time to interrupt this guy here. I need to voice over here because of the background noises. So yeah, let me really quickly explain you guys what went there wrong. So I wrote the command as git pull origin main instead of git pull upstream main, okay, because I have to fetch all the changes from the upstream, from the main there branch. Okay, like simply now I need to create a separate branch here. Just maybe fix the new project hover. Maybe it really doesn't matter about the name of your branch. It should be relevant to your fix only, it should be relevant to your contribution only. That is correct, that is pretty obvious. Let's wait for it to reload. So yeah, I've changed my branch, and yeah, I'm in the branch obviously. Now it's time to run this. I am looking for a Docker setup here, so maybe I would go for, yeah, as you can see here, Docker hai. So yeah, if you don't know, guys, how to set up, your any code bases via Docker. So yeah, I would really urge you to just, you may learn it, okay, because it's very useful, honestly speaking, right? And I've cloned it, and I had to build. I've already built that, so I need to start Docker first of all. Docker daemon मुझे start करना है. Yeah, it's started, and it is being started. Music blocks I've already build that, and yeah, let's now Docker images. I have that. Let's Docker login. Please allow. I'm allowing it. Yep, and yeah, it succeeded. Okay, now the thing is, I need to start this, right? So you can see the command here as well. So by this, the application will run. I hope so. It's, if you go to localhost 3000, yeah, it's being started, as you can see right now. I need to fix this issue. So let's go to new. Are you sure you want to create a new project? I'm searching this. Are you sure? What? Are you sure you want to create a new project? Are you sure you want to create a new project? भाई बहुत ज़्यादा जगह में यार, I don't know what, कौन सा मैं जाना चाहिए, I don't know. मुझे तो बटन मिल गया, but I need to go to the toolbar here, if I'm not wrong, toolbar.js. All right.
2,000 years later. Tomorrow for sure.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
Just like after lots and lots of fixes, I just digged through the complete code base, and was like facing lots and lots of issues. Really now run this, and let's check that whether the issue is fixed or not. All right, music blocks, and I really hope and believe that it is, yeah, it is running. Yeah, and now if we'll go, it is finally fixed now. As you can see, if I maybe like cancel, okay, and in hover करने से अभी that issue is now gone. If I confirm it, yeah, all the functionalities as well are working. Okay, if I do this, so yeah, it is toggling to the full screen as well, and यहाँ पर the dark theme, so dark theme में भी ठीक हो रहा है. Okay, everything is working good here as well, and let's change the theme to light mode. Okay, cross it. यहाँ नॉर्मल चल रहा है, एंड न्यू प्रोजेक्ट अभी सब ठीक है. ओके, बाय द वे इसमें मतलब डार्क मोड में ऐसा कुछ इशू आ नहीं रहा है. इफ आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, डार्क मोड में कोई इशू नहीं है, बट इंडीड द इशू इज़ विद द लाइट मोड. ऑनेस्टली, प्रोडक्शन वेबसाइट नाउ, the issue was on the light mode here, ठीक है, कि light mode में someone unwanted unnecessary background वो show हो रहा था, so I just fixed that. Maybe I could go again and check, and yeah, you can clearly see unwanted वो background आ रहा है here, but now after I fixed it वो नहीं आ रहा. Okay, and yeah, हाँ यहाँ पर issue था obviously, but here the issue is gone. So let me take the screen recording of this as well, because I have to post this in the issue here. जब मैं when I'll open the pull request, I have to mention that over there as well. So yeah, let me just take a screen recording for this as well. I have to check the tests pass हो रहा है कि नहीं सब, that's important. यहाँ पर npm run lint ये तो हमेशा fail ही होता है as far as I remember. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, obviously there are errors, but I don't think so they are required. npm prettier I'm sorry, wait, prettier check warning बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं, but okay, let it be. Okay, these are not my fault. ये सब पता नहीं क्यों आता है हमेशा warning. I really don't want to fix them. npm test, let's write the final npm test because this is important. जब यहाँ सारे tests pass हो गए, then I'm good to go. See, as you can see, 89 out of 89, 2327 out of 2327, सब कुछ pass हो गए. I hope so. I really hope and believe I'm good to go from here. And yeah, changes किया है. Hello? हाँ चलो ठीक है. Alright, so now let's really quickly write the issue for it. See, as you can see, npm run test, all the jets are passing. Yep, yeah, everything is good. Let's create this, right? Let's go to, alright, let's create a new issue. And yeah, this is a bug, so yeah, cool. It's not documentation, not feature, not anything. Yeah, it's a bug report, so report an issue to help us improve. Yeah, I'm reporting it, and यहाँ पर bug का मैं, I'll give the title and all. Let's give the title as, maybe drop down buttons, confirm and cancel. ठीक है, let's give the description here. Let's simply type it कि भाई over the buttons, some again, hello.
One eternity later.
Yeah, alright, so sorry for the interruption, but yeah, let's continue writing the issue. Alright, so you can see कि मैंने दोनों screenshots डाल दिए. Let me reduce the size of them. ठीक है, इस little bit size reduce करना पड़ता है थोड़ा यहाँ पर. See, what I believe is it's always a good practice to just copy whatever you did. कि भाई एक क्योंकि अगर कुछ errors होंगे या फिर any issues वो solve कर देगा और वो एक अच्छा एक version देगा that you can simply after the application loads, yeah, देगा काफ़ी अच्छा यहाँ पर वो description दे देता है, so you can clearly just come over here and just simple you can paste the description and all here. And no unwanted background should appear when hovering over. Okay, I have done everything. Let's create the issue. Finally let's create the issue. So yeah, I have created the issue, and let's remember the number here. So it's 5443. Okay, because it's required. क्योंकि यहाँ पर what I'll do is let's finally make a pull request here. Just finally open a pull request. So before that, maybe I should again just do all those before push commands and before push checklist. So maybe let's go to the contributing docs here. npm test करने से क्या होगा ना, सारे just, okay, JEST. So all these jests are passed. So yeah, I hope and believe I'm good to go. Like honestly speaking, यहाँ पर हम push करते हैं अभी finally हम push करते हैं code को. So you can see the changes here. Git status, git add, I would say git add, then okay, git add, right, न्यू प्रोजेक्ट होवर git add, yep, I would say git commit. अब मैंने commit क्या किया, fix किया मैंने, fix the unwanted hover, unwanted bg on new project buttons hover. Now it's really important git push origin आप अपने branch को करो, ठीक है, that is new project hover. So yeah, now when you push the code, now it's time कि आप जैसे you will go to this repository, you'll see the compare and pull request button है, like automatically आएगा. तो यहाँ से आप now you can create a pull request, you can open a pull request है यहाँ से. So now maybe I could go with the title, maybe I could go with remove, हाँ ऐसे कर सकते हैं, maybe remove unwanted background on for confirm and cancel. Yeah, this is good. For confirm and maybe cancel buttons in new project drop down. New project, maybe new project in drop down maybe. Yeah, so basically PR का title हो जाएगा simple, okay, just remove, like just simple remove unwanted background for confirm and cancel buttons in new project drop down. Yeah, I'm good to go now. So first तो fixes आएगा, ठीक है, like simple, तो ये जो है fix कर रहा है basically this, it was 5443 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so 54 इसको basically वो fix कर रहा है, तो मैं fix कर दिया. अब मैं सिंपल में भी एक स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग डाल दूंगा, रिकॉर्डिंग. सो इट्स इन हियर, एज यू कैन सी न्यू प्रोजेक्ट हवर फिक्स. यहाँ पर मैं से ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर दूंगा एंड या आई एम जस्ट गुड टू गो, ठीक है. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, टू वॉच द स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग एंड एक्सपीरियंस द implemented fix here. As you can see, let me watch the screen recording as well after compared. So यहाँ पर ये मैंने एक डाल दिया, बिफोर एंड आफ्टर कंपेयर्ड. ओके गुड. सो या नाउ आई एम हैप्पी टू क्रिएट अ पुल रिक्वेस्ट हियर, ठीक है. आई एम देन ओके टू ऐड डिस्क्रिप्शंस लेटर, ओके, आफ्टर मेकिंग दिस पुल रिक्वेस्ट, ठीक है. आई हैव क्रिएटेड द पुल रिक्वेस्ट, आई हैव ओपन द पुल रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, सो फाइनली द पुल रिक्वेस्ट इज ओपन. नाउ मे बी आई कुड गो टू, वापस आप ऐसे देख सकते हो जाके कि ओके यू कैन सी क्लियरली कि ओके इट्स यू नो ऑब्वियसली मेरे सबसे टॉप में it's my pull request, it's my obviously issue here, and here as well. Let's see if whether all the tests are being passing or not. So these are the two checks that are passing, that are running actually. I successfully opened the pull request and let's wait for it to merge. Let's see whether it is being merged or not. Okay, yeah, this side ShubhDEVs signing off.